Benefits of using natural woven wood blinds. When it comes to window treatments, natural woven wood blinds, such as those made from bamboo, offer a wealth of benefits that make them a highly desirable choice for Ontario homeowners. Let's dive into the key advantages of incorporating these eco-friendly window coverings into your living spaces. Timeless aesthetic appeal. Bamboo shades exude a warm, natural charm that seamlessly blends with a wide range of interior design styles, from modern and minimalist to rustic and traditional. The unique patterns and textures of the woven bamboo create a visually stunning focal point in any room, elevating the overall ambiance and aesthetic. Unparalleled durability. Bamboo is an exceptionally strong and resilient material, making it an excellent choice for window treatments that need to withstand daily use and exposure to environmental factors. These shades are built to last, ensuring you can enjoy their beauty and functionality for years to come. Enhanced energy efficiency. Bamboo shades provide excellent insulation, helping to regulate the temperature in your home and reduce your energy consumption. In the winter, they can help retain heat, while in the summer, they can block out the sun's rays, keeping your living spaces cool and comfortable. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Bamboo is a highly renewable resource that grows quickly and without the need for harmful pesticides or fertilizers. By choosing custom bamboo shades, you're making an environmentally conscious decision that supports sustainable practices and reduces your carbon footprint. Versatile and customizable. Bamboo shades come in a wide range of styles, colors, and textures, allowing you to tailor them to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or a more rustic, textured aesthetic, you can find the perfect bamboo shades to complement your Ontario home. Easy maintenance. Compared to other window treatment options, bamboo shades are relatively low maintenance. A simple wipe down with a damp cloth is usually all that's needed to keep them looking their best, making them a hassle-free choice for busy homeowners. By embracing the many benefits of natural woven wood blinds, you can transform your Ontario home into a haven of natural beauty, comfort, and energy efficiency. Get ready to experience the unparalleled charm and functionality of custom bamboo shades. Please like, share and subscribe.